This is Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, and today I will show how you can fix slow Android problems on this device. If your Motorola device has gotten sluggish or it feels like that and you would like to optimize system performance and speed your system up, first thing that I recommend you try is to launch settings, then go into the storage and see how well your storage is doing. If it is overwhelmed and there is not so much storage space left, go into the free up space. Here you will need to open the clean section and perform a storage cleanup. The Google Files app will automatically come up with measures you can take and will suggest them to you, so simply follow those measures and perform a storage cleanup. On top of that, you can also uninstall heavy apps that you do not use or do not need anymore. And to put it simply, take care of your internal storage. Then what you might also want to do is to launch settings, then enter the system category. Here go into the performance, and you can switch on the smart app launch. From here you can also access the storage cleanup, but this one is more heavy-duty solution which will battle with not occupied storage but rather storage fragmentation. But since we do not have anything in here, that means that our storage is in the optimal state and there is nothing we can do at this point to make it work better. And the final tip from here is the RAM boost. So switch it on, select how many additional RAM gigabytes you would like to get, and then restart your phone. And the way this feature works, it allocates additional amount of storage and commands it to behave as random access memory or RAM, which is crucial for your phone multitasking and overall processing speed. So the more RAM you have, the better your phone should feel in terms of performance and processing load. Simply, it will have more room to work with. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.